Now it's time to talk about the use and care of your measuring tools. It's really important to keep these clean in good shape. If not, you won't be able to use them. They'll be broken, or they just won't be working right. They won't measure right. The movement will get pretty choppy and junky. So you need to keep them clean, and you need to get them safe at all times. I'm going to start by showing you the micrometer itself. One of the things you want to do is make sure that you've always got a case for your measuring tools. You want to get pretty close to having it closed up without being all the way shut, not locked or anything, and put inside a case that it's made for. You can see this has got a case that's got some soft lining in it, and it's cut out just for this size. It's even got a little wrench here that we can learn about some other time. But that's how you always want to keep these, with it closed tight. So if you have this near a machine, never on a machine, and you put this down on a table near the machine, nothing will get on it. No dust, no metal shavings, anything. It's less likely to be dropped. If it gets moved or bumped, it's okay. It's a little bit protected. You still don't want to drop it, but so that's how you want to always make sure you put it. You always want to keep it on a nice flat, steady surface like a table or a bench. Open it up when you're ready to use it. Then take it out. When you do take it out, you don't know if there's any dust or dirt between here. So what people commonly do is they'll open them up just a little bit, get a little scrap of clean, very clean paper, and you very gently put the micrometer down in contact with it so there's a little bit of friction. All right, build up a little friction there, and then just pull that paper right out. And if there's any gunk on there, I can actually see some garbage on here. I don't know if you can with this filming, but I can see some crud on this side and some on this side of the paper. So I got some nice, now I've got nice clean measuring faces on there. That's what you want to do first. And then double check it right at 0, 0, 0, so that looks good. Open up just a slight amount. I'm going to put it back in here, close it down, put that one aside, my micrometer. The next thing we want to talk about is the caliper. Okay, so that's caliper box generally looks like this. All right, same sort of thing. You open it up, and the caliper comes out of its nice form-fitted box. Got the nice soft foam in it. Again, these things never go on tables. The problem with it is in addition to the fact that you can get chips in here, like I can see on this one. I just took a chip out of there. The chips can get in these little gears and destroy stuff. So that's part of it. But these, if you look at these points here, they're very delicate. Extremely sharp, precise points. And not only that, but just the makeup of this instrument itself, it's not extremely rugged. It's not good for being dropped. It says shock proof, but that doesn't mean you want to drop it. All right? A little bit of a drop might be okay, but you really don't want to take any chance with these things. It's too easy to destroy these. These are worth about $130, and you know, it's not cheap to replace them. So when you're working in between, when you're making a cut, you never want to just leave these things out on a table somewhere, flopped upside down, you know, other things on top of it. You always want to make sure you just go ahead and put them inside your case, close the case, and put them in a safe spot. That way, they'll always stay in good shape.